All right, Pink Friday nails. I'm excited. So, fam, like, first of all, I've been wearing natural nails for a long time. So I was like, let's get into these Pink Friday nails. All right, babe. And press-ons are the new thing. So, fam, so if you're looking to save a few dollars and you want to look cute and you want to see if nails is still for you, you got to step into the press-on game because, honey, things have changed. So this is the Pink Friday nails. Thank you, Nicki. And I'm going to just go through all the steps with you in case you've been thinking about it or press-ons in general and see if it's something you are into. Definitely for my ladies. No, yeah. So moving on. So these are the best press-ons I've ever seen in my life. Like, they're very strong. They're very sturdy. And the shape on them, the color on them looks very acrylic-like, because if you get those French tip press-ons from Walgreens or CVS, if you look close, if you look far, they look cheap. These have a real pearl-like shine and texture to them. So I was so happy. So let's get into some things. So it comes with these nail press-on glues that you can use, a prep pad, some extra nails in case the full set doesn't fit right. And I have really wide thumbs, so I was really struggling with my thumbs. So, fam, I'm gonna just let it be known. And so I went ahead and reshaped and found my shape off camera because we would have been sitting here for like 3 hours because I took a break and came back. I was like, okay, this is a process. I had to get my nails together, so I made sure I didn't have on no polish. I filed them down, and I was like, okay, we can get into this. So first I'm going to use the nail prep. I'm going to remove any oils from my nails, which I always have oil on my hands, so I know I got it on my nails. And then I was going to really try to use the sticky to see if it'll even hold, see if it's something that you can get away with. And I was a little surprised to say, it's a really strong sticky. So at first I was like, okay, let me try the sticky and then maybe put on some glue, because I was like, I don't know if I'm going to keep these on, and I want to, just kind of try it out. I wanted to kind of sniff around, and you're going to see I ended up putting a little bit of glue with the sticky, and this glue, Nicki, sis, this is the best nail glue to mankind. This nail glue held so tight. And what I loved about it the most was it didn't get hard right away. So it gave me a chance to move the nail around, file it, before it kind of cemented. Because as I'm doing this video, I still got these nails on. This is some acrylic glue, okay? And for my ladies that get nails, you're gonna see. So what'll really work great if you kind of file your nail, obviously in the shape of the press-on nail the best way you can. So it's gonna be hard to visualize off for your nails. So that's what I kind of liked about the glue, because I got a chance to kind of file it, reshape it, do all that before it dried. So it takes about 5 minutes to dry. You can start to feel it. You'll feel it not move, but then you'll feel it dry. And there's a difference because you can kind of feel the nails melt into your real nails. And I loved it because I didn't feel like if I did something, if I put my card in at the supermarket, my nail was going to fling off. That's what I was thinking about later on. I'm like, oh my gosh, what if I'm around somebody and my nail pop off? I'm going to be so embarrassed. And so I can assure you that this nail glue, you got to do something really dramatic, if you had on real acrylic nails for it to pop off. And so I was, putting some glue, making sure everything was aligned. And to be honest, I had this Barbie pink nail filer because it comes with a small one, but this is my favorite nail filer. It's a hard to find filer. And I was like, look at this. I have this already. So you want to get a file that's just sturdy enough to kind of shape the nail. Okay, ladies, you want to really shape the nail. You don't want to be walking around with nails unshaped and just looking like sis, you know what I'm saying? And don't worry if it's a little messy while you're applying it, because you can always go back and clean up. Okay, so you want to make sure you take the time to press these nails together. And you can see I was kind of like trying different things. You can see I ended up removing the glue and just removing the stickies and just using the glue. And so here are the final results, lady. Very strong. I was like, let me show you guys in different angles. Very natural looking. Like, this is how my acrylics used to look. And I haven't worn acrylics in a while, so I'm just going to go in and let you see it in different angles, different lighting, and you can see that these are beautiful press-on nails. Like, definitely if you were thinking about going back from natural to acrylic, this is the step that I think I would use to kind of see if it's something I really want to do, because it's a commitment, you know. And very pleased. Very, very, very pleased. Pink Friday nails, Pretty Palm oils. Of course, you already know Lace in the Face have those Pretty Palm oils, because without Pretty Palms, the nails don't really, you know what I'm saying? So you want to add that in. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and see you at the next one.